everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find electrical vehicle charging stations on Google Maps. Electrical vehicle charging, or EV shorts for charging stations, are easier than ever to find using Google Maps. Whether you're on a road trip or need a quick charge near your location, Google Maps provides real-time location availability and charger type to help you plan. And here's how you can quickly find an EV charging station using Google Maps. I'll walk you through the process in this tutorial step by step. The first method is using the search bar. And to do that, just open Google Maps on your mobile or desktop. Now if you're using your desktop, just search for maps.google.com. And if you're using your mobile device, just go to the Google Maps app. It's available in Play Store and App Store. Now once here, type EV charging stations. EV charging stations right here, as you can see, and type in the search bar to see the results. Google Maps will display nearby charging stations, including details like charger type, availability, and pricing. As you can see here, these are the types. It has 190 kilowatts. The second type has only 22 kilowatts, and the third type has only 7.4 kilowatts. As you can see, it's the same for all these ones right here. The second method is using filters for more accuracy. Now after searching, tap filters. Now this is available only in mobile, or it's available only in mobile, on the mobile app. Now on the mobile app, after searching, tap filters and select chargers like types like CCS, CHAdeMO, or Tesla Supercharger. Filter results based on compatibility with your EV model. As for the third method, use Google Assistant, which is the voice command. Just say, "Hey Google, find EV charging stations near me," and Google Assistant will suggest nearby stations and navigate to your preferred ones. And that's it for today's tutorial. Finding electrical vehicles charging stations on Google Maps is a simple and effective way to stay charged on the go. By using filters, real-time data, and voice commands, you can locate the best station with minimal hassle. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave comments below the video if you have more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next tutorial.